If you don't like onions, that's because you have never eaten like this. A very easy and amazing recipe. Let's start in a frying pan, putting oil and a lot of onion. Just like this, guys. It's a lot of onion, okay, because it's the main ingredient of this recipe. Don't forget to add some black pepper, and here you can start adding your favorite seasons, all right, like paprika or salt or even garlic. Now let's add 6 eggs this way, guys, all over the onions. Don't forget to give a good pinch of salt on it. And then let's mix it very well, but be gently, okay? I also added some parsley because I love the taste of parsley, but it's totally optional, right? And go mixing it, guys. Continue mixing it. Set it all over this pan as well, okay? Let it very beautiful, and then let's cover it. Wait for it a little bit to be brown on one side, and guys, very gently we're going to take it out, okay, the boards, and then put some cheese on top of it that will give a special touch to it. Put the amount you prefer, all right? Here I put an amount that I like, but if you want to put less, you can do it. And here, guys, this recipe, you can use your creativity, all right? You can put some ham, cheese, bacon, or even pepperoni. Here you can have fun, seriously, and use your favorite seasons. Some tomatoes as well would be irresistible. And look at it, guys, the recipe is already done. It's super fast to make, seriously. Onion is very good for our health, so you can look up, and it's super worth it making it, all right? If you don't like eating onions, this is a way you can eat it because it's gonna be very delicious, okay? I sprinkled some green onion on top of it because I also love it, okay? Make it at your house, and I'm pretty sure that from now on you will love onions. I'm gonna show you guys very closely so you can understand how juicy it is. This cheese on top of it is amazing. And if you watched this video until here, that means you liked this recipe, or at least was curious about it. So go sending it for your friends so you can make it together, all right? And don't lose this opportunity to, give another meaning to the onion, guys. I'm pretty sure you're gonna love it. Thank you so much for watching till here. Bye.